Babe, let's talk about something deep tonight.
Deep like what?
Deep like love, connection, passion, and you know other things.
Other things like jollof rice, because I connect deeply with food.
No, now, something deeper than jollof.
Deeper than jollof? Kunle, I fear you. What is deeper than jollof?
Love now. Love is deep.
So, you want to talk about love? Oh yeah, talk.
You know, love is like egusi soup. It takes time, patience, and the right ingredient to make it sweet.
Oh, Prof. Kunle of Loveology. Continue.
But sex is like pounded yam. It requires effort, but the end result is smooth and satisfying.
Omo, you need deliverance. Pounded yam care.
Yes, now, love without sex is like eating egusi without swallow. Something is missing.
But you can eat egusi with rice now.
It's not the same experience. You need the perfect combination.
So, what you're saying is that love without sex is incomplete?
No, I'm just saying. Sex adds extra flavor to love, just like small pepper inside suya.
Kunle, you should start in restaurants with all this your food analogy.
It'll be my fault now. You make me hungry for food and other things.
Behave yourself before I block you.
For real, babe, sex goes hand in hand with love, but love comes first.
Good boy. So what are we doing first?
Love now.
Good. Now go and sleep before you start thinking about pounded yam again.
Can I dream about it?
Dream about Jesus instead. Good night.
Good night, my jollof rice.
Good night, my foolish man.